Hello friends, welcome to Kirti's Kitchen English. Today I'm gonna share with you chicken biryani Hyderabadi dum biryani recipe. And it is very easy to make and can be made very easily and with the steps I've explained. First, into the pan I'm adding 2 cinnamon sticks and cloves, jeera 1 teaspoon, fennel seeds 1 teaspoon, dry red chilies 5 and peppercorns 1 teaspoon, star anise 2 and cardamom 3, coriander seeds 1 teaspoon, bay leaf 2 and Marathi mogus 2. Add all these ingredients that I have listed on the screen and dry roast them for about 3 minutes on medium flame until they get nice aroma out of them. Later take them aside into a plate and blend them to make masala powder, and we need to add them later in the biryani for the marinade. And later I'm adding oil into the pan and I fried around 4 onions medium size and keep them aside. Later store this oil. Later I've taken 1 kg bone with chicken with bone, and later I'm adding 1 cup of curd and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and masala powder that we prepared, and turmeric ½ teaspoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, salt according to taste, and coriander leaves and mint leaves handful and mix them thoroughly. Later I'm adding lemon juice. I've squeezed 1 lemon. Later I'm adding roasted onions around 1 cup. Later I'm adding 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi and mix them all together until everything binds with each other. Later refrigerate this marinade for about 2 hours. Marinate this chicken for about 2 hours in a refrigerator so it absorbs the flavors. Later into the fried onions oil I'm adding chicken that we marinated for about 2 hours nicely. Then fry them for about 5 minutes on high flame. 5 to 7 minutes we need to fry them on high flame. Later I'm adding very little bit of water and then put on the lid and pressure cook for about 2 whistles, and chicken will be cooked perfectly. After meanwhile while it is pressure cooking, I am preparing the spice water for the biryani rice cooking. So I'm adding bay leaf and cinnamon and peppercorns and everything that we added earlier for the masala, and very little quantity of them. Add all of these masala spices into it and add little bit of ghee and give it a good mix. Okay, allow the water to boil and later add salt according to the taste, and later put on the lid, and when water comes to boil I've added soaked basmati rice and I'm adding 450 grams of soaked basmati rice into it and give it a good mix and cook it until 90% cooked. And meanwhile our chicken got cooked completely, and when rice gets cooked 90%, check it with your hand. And later I'm adding handful of mint leaves, handful of coriander leaves over the chicken, and later I'm adding in 90% cooked basmati rice on the chicken. Add the rice like this in layers. I've added completely. Later I'm adding remaining fried onions. Later I'm adding food color, it is completely optional. Later I'm adding handful of coriander leaves and handful of mint leaves and 1 teaspoon of chili chopped, and later I'm adding little bit of lemon juice and some 1 teaspoon of ghee over the biryani. Later put on, I'm attaching some chapati dough in order to stop the pressure from escaping. So conceal it like this with dough. You can also use any katori as well if you don't have any dough. So cook it on medium flame for about 5 minutes, cook it on low flame for about 15 minutes and turn off and give it a rest for about 15 minutes. After the rest only we need to open the lid, then biryani will be perfectly cooked. That's it, our biryani is completely ready and cooked perfectly, and rice is perfectly cooked. You can see it is very soft and very delicious to eat. So do try this recipe at your home. It is very easy and delicious to prepare at home. And chicken, you need to marinate the chicken for about 2 hours, and how long you marinate, the taste will be that delicious. So keep it on mind, and the marination is very important, and also you need to add salt and carefully, otherwise the taste of the biryani gets ruined. So add salt very carefully. So that's it, you can easily prepare this biryani at home. If you like this video, do like this video and subscribe to Kirti's Kitchen English. Thanks for